Guys, welcome to this video, and this is Burping Ninja. And this is just for entertainment, so let's go. You guys said that you wanted me to make a long video of me burping, and this will be about 10 minutes. So thank you, and thank you for supporting me for my other video. And this is Burping Ninja. Let's go, Cecily. Okay, woo! Okay. I am Burping Ninja.
So move out of the way, the camera.
Ah! I am Burping Ninja. Ah! Ah! You got the wallet.
Help me, please. Help me.
Burp sword. Round 2. Now you actually attack. Now you can get off the wall now. Burp sword. KO. Burping Ninja wins. This is gonna be round 3. Go back. Now you move 2 times as fast as you hit. Wait. Then attack me. Round 3, Burping Ninja wins. Round 4, now you actually attack. But you actually gotta attack. Yeah. Go! Burping Ninja wins. I think this is round 5.
How much you don't really get?
Okay, let's go. Let's go one more. You gotta get it to 10 minutes. It's already at that 2 minutes. Oh, I missed you. Whoa! You gotta attack me. Round 6, Bandit wins. Go back, Cecily, now. Go back. Okay. Round 7. KO. Round 8. Round 7.
Oh, my eye.
Ninja wins.
Ow.
Looks like Burping Ninja. Go. Grab it. Round 9. Go. You're still alive. I got you. Yeah. Round 10, Burping Ninja wins. I'm getting dizzy. Now you go all the way back, but you can still get back up. You can still come. You're still alive. You got 1 more life.
Ow.
You're KO. Round 11, go. Burping Ninja. Go. Hey, yo, I threw it. Burping Ninja!
Now we need to start cuddling. I need to start cuddling.
Well, you guys want to see one more thing? Burping Ninja has one more job. Ready, guys? Okay, now I'm going to do my loudest one. Okay? Okay, loudest one.
Oh, my.
Not the loudest one, but I tried to.
Do it again.
Okay, I'll try to. dang it.
Let's say that word.
Man, I can't do it. Well, guys, thank you for watching. And next time, I think, like next tomorrow, I think we're going to have a Nerf war.
I don't want to have a Nerf war.
I don't know if we're going to do it.
I'm not.
Well, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you all later. And Ninja Mash. Ninja. Burping Ninja. We'll see you all later. Next week. Next week, there will be a new Burping Ninja. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you all later. Bye, Burping Ninja, out.